Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to align the product grid images in WooCommerce. In this video, I am using WooCommerce theme. So navigate to theme settings, product achieve, and in the product style, enable the option. Enable the option even product grid for desktop. After enable the option, you can align the product hover content in the bottom of the row. Save the settings. And then refresh the page. Here you can see the grid elements are aligned, but the image not in the same size. So you need to align the images. So navigate to theme setting, navigate to appearance customize. Open the WooCommerce tab. Click on the product images. And here you can set the images size. So here the image is uncropped. Uncropped means images will display using the aspect ratio in which they are uploaded. So you can set the custom cropping of the images and align them. Here you can see if I will set 3 by 4, so it is looking much better, but it is too long. Try to change the ratio, but if I refresh the page, it is looking much better, but it's too long. So try to change the aspect ratio. So 3 by 2 by 3, 1 by 3. This is much better. Here you can see the images. Here you can see all the images are showing in same size. If you have found the video helpful, so please subscribe my YouTube channel.